Well, I'm going to show you this lovely piece of Antique Aynsley green ribbon, and from this piece we've actually got the factory's decorator's number, which is nicely hand described by the decorators on the underside of this little saucer, 16013. Nice Antique Aynsley green crown marks, beautifully moulded base plate on this little saucer, translucent bone china, beautifully. Just got a lovely feel the way it rolls down into the sort of almost like a channel all the way around it. We've had this pattern before. We didn't have the pattern reference number on any of the previous pieces, but we were able to date it successfully from the china marks. A beautiful little coffee can, 2 inches diameter, 2 inches tall, classic Aynsley plain, loop handle, gilt round the just round the rim, nothing on the base plate, and unusually for Aynsley, almost ground out base plate on this one. There's your Aynsley crown marks on the base there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. What a lovely little thing to have your morning espresso or coffee out of, or just to display. If you're a collector of Aynsley, then this green ribbon design is very, very sought after. There's very little of it still out there and in good condition. It was a very popular pattern during the 1890s through to around 1900, 1905. But wasn't subsequently made in big volumes beyond that. So late Victorian, early Edwardian or Georgian, I forget my dates when I haven't looked them up. I'm terrible at my history. Memory like a sieve. But anyway, somebody will correct me in comments, no doubt, and it doesn't detract from the beauty of this little espresso coffee can and saucer set from Aynsley. Thanks for watching.